Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to edit this image into this image. Today I've got this image of Manhattan Bridge taken from Brooklyn Bridge over in New York City. In the background here, so this bridge here is actually the Manhattan Bridge, and the bridge that I'm standing on is the Brooklyn Bridge. So I took this series of images from the Brooklyn Bridge, and today I'm going to merge them into a into a HDR image. So I'm going to press Control H on the mat, and it brings up the HDR merge dialog box. It's going to take a second. Okay, so I kind of like the way it turned out. I have all the settings pre-selected. Let's go ahead and click merge. Alright, I like this image a lot because it kind of has these awesome kind of lines going across it, and these vertical lines going up and down, and obviously is of a sunrise. So you know, every time when I take pictures of sunrise, you get these awesome colors in the skies, you know what I mean? See these awesome hues and kind of going into a blue. You get these sky streaks that go out this way and that way, and yeah. So let's go ahead and look at the finished merged image. I'm really liking the way it's kind of turned out. Let's go ahead into the develop module by pressing the D button. Let's go ahead and bump up the shadows a bit, right? And then bump up the whites. I'm gonna definitely bump up the saturation in this image, bringing out those orange and yellows in the sunrise. I'm seeing a lot of chromic aberration, probably pronouncing that really badly, but I'm seeing a lot of that in the actual kind of wires and stuff. You see this purple cable here. So let's go ahead and fix that by clicking on this remove. And that's done a pretty good job, as you can see. Like, take it off, you can see this line here. If I click that, boom, see how that takes it away? Yeah, that's really cool, guys. So it's getting there. Let's minimize that. So like a lot of my images, I'm going to add a bit of vignette to it. Alright, going to change the midpoint, bump up the roundness, and this is a bit too much. Let's add a bit more this to it, and I feel like the main attraction is this background image. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the kind of gradient tool here. I'm going to put the exposure down a bit, not that much, a little bit more, tighten down the clarity and the sharpness, and then just draw a line there, and not too much, maybe like a 1, like that. You guys feeling that? You guys like that? I'm kind of liking it. I feel like it's missing something, man. Let's bump up the contrast. Yeah. Alright. I think the highlights. There we go. Yeah, bring out that orange. Let's go to color. Let's go to orange. Yeah. You see this magenta? Bring it down a bit. Let's bring down the magenta, man. The magenta is way too high. And then I don't know, man. You like that? Or you like that? Ooh. Yeah, vintage number 2. Thank you, Adobe, coming to save the day. Yeah, I think I'm done, guys. Check that out. So let's go ahead and show you the before and afters. So boom, 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 and finished product, guys. So like always, if you want me to edit one of your photos, check the links below, and if you got a question, guys, send the questions my way. The links are below as well. Until next time guys, keep on shooting, and see you, man. Like always, if you have a question about taking photos or making videos or just about anything digital, please don't hesitate to ask. Those links are below. And if you have an image, a video, or a website you'll like me to critique or edit, send them my way and I'll take a look at them and I'll make a video just for you. So those links are below as well. Until next time guys, keep creating and I'll see you guys on the next video.